I'm ready. Let's do this. Full box. Look at it. Oh, Jesus. Alright. I should really, get this cracking. Okay, I've been waiting for this. Neca Godzilla 1962. I don't have the best camera here. Let me try to get it all the way up so it's like. Alright. Okay. I was just somewhere so I still have them. Okay. I'm sorry. I wish I had a much more better and much more open space place to do my reviews, because this is cramped so much. Oh, no. Okay. Jesus Christ. Come on. Oh, so. I can't unbox. I can just pick this up. Oh. So what do we got in the box? We got bubble wrap. Something I don't want to show that. Got a Big Bad Toy Store card. There's a Godzilla. There, it's Pennywise. Neca, Marvel Legends, that. Alright. Oh yeah. Here it is. Let's just get that out the way. Oh, that is heavy. Let's take a look at the figure. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Look at it. Oh, that's nice. I love my Pikachu head back. I'm just gonna take that off. Alright, let's open this. I'm actually really excited for this. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this figure ever since I pre-ordered it. Back in so Neca, oh, before I, do the review, let's look at the box. The Battle of the Century, featuring Heat Ray Blast, Godzilla. This is so cheesy. King Kong vs. Godzilla, King Konga Tai Godzilla. The box under, just some marketing, legal stuff with Toho, Godzilla. Okay, now let's get the figure out. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Oh, I forgot. He comes with the beam. I am so excited. So, I was originally just gonna try to get him out with the old twisters. You got these titanium scissors, so I feel it's a lot easier for me to. Come on, back. Snap it. Oh Jesus. I got this right. So I'm just gonna take off one on the bottom. I do not want to damage the figure. One I'm trying to get. Oh, I see what I'm doing now. Oh Jesus Christ! Why do you have to be stopped? What is this? It's such. Listen, I'm gonna do this. Oh, Jesus. So that, they're kind of filled. Oh my God. Neca, what the hell did you do? Wait. Jesus. Oh, I got that. Get that out. Jesus. What did they package this? What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna try to. I don't want to like damage it like this. Okay. Alright. Tail out, the old fashioned. It's out, alright. Get it back. Now. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there goes one of the joints. He is a thick boy, man. Look. I was originally gonna get the Monster Art 62, but I figured, hey, Neca's making one. It's gonna be cheaper. I still have stuck knees. Stuck knees. So right out the box, I had to like. Okay, so right out of the box, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. I have this figure in my hands. He's smaller than I thought he would be. Oh, I have a stuck joint. Is that a look? Look at that paint splotch right there. It's nice. It's my copy. This is very loose, so I'm gonna have to fiddle with that. I still haven't got the back out. So I get this back in frame. There, and I get this beautiful effect out. Here, this is very, very stretchy stuff. There we go. Is it the same mold as once again? Let me get the GMK mold. It's not the same thing. I was expecting it when I first saw it. Alright, so here's 62 with stuck joints and that paint splotch right there, but why is it there? Oh, I go, like, dude, okay. Oh, there we go. I got the joint to work. Always got the head. Neca. I know you guys had stiff heads, but Jesus. Okay, pop this out. After being interrupted. Let's get this. So, I just want to see it with the breath effect, so, yeah, let me look in, okay, so, I seen somewhere at point, oh, that's nice. Review, soon, very soon. Like very like right after. Ooh, this looks nice. Ooh, you'll see the tail in the review. Oh, I'm gonna have to heat this guy up with a blow dryer, especially this part, which I'm not happy about. Is this paint splotch. Like everything looks fine except this little. And he has stuck joints. Oh no, the legs. All the things that could have been more loose. This is Neca Godzilla quality here. Alright, see you guys in the next review.